Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys the new Huda Beauty Rose Quartz palettes right here. It looks like so. That's what the packaging looks like. I mean, she's always paying attention to details when it comes to her eyeshadow packaging. This is actually beautiful. I really like it. I actually used this palette to create this look, this gorgeous smoky eye look. I love all the shades in the palette, and I like the fact that all the shades in the palette complements each other really well. I'm gonna swatch a few of the shades for you guys, otherwise if I try to swatch the 18 shades it might take ages. So yeah, I'm gonna swatch this first shade called Quartz. I mean, look at that. Look at that. How stunning is that? The camera is not doing justice to these shades in real life. I'm gonna swatch the next dark brown shades beside it. It's called Aura and Bam. Just one swipe, guys. As you guys can tell, it's just one swipe. And I'm going to go into this shade called Blissful. Let's see what Blissful looks like. Ooh la la, look at that. Look at that. She is actually upping her game when it comes to the pigmentation of her eyeshadow palette. I don't know how, but this actually gives me that, you know, duochrome feels or vibe, if I may say. And I like the fact that they're very pigmented, very opaque, and apply smoothly both on the skin and also on the lids. I didn't have to apply any other product on my lids before applying that duochrome shade I applied on my lids, which is the purple shade right here. This shade is called Cosmic Love. This shade right here is absolutely stunning, guys. I just use my brush once on my lids and pow, that was the thing that I got. Look at that. I am loving it. And I also use this shade called Self Love right here. I'm just gonna swatch that for you as well. It's kind of lighter than the other one that I swatched earlier, but it might look similar to each other based on the fact that the camera is not picking the pigment up. Obviously the lights variation, I'm using natural light, I'm also using artificial light as well, so the lights is not picking up the pigment or the shades or the colors, but the pigmentation is absolutely stunning. As you guys can tell, our dark shades are also well pigmented. I'm going to show you the shade Mantra. This Mantra shade is absolutely one of my favorite, guys. Look at that. Mantra is, I want to say dark blue, I want to say dark brown, but Mantra is dark brown shades, but it gives that black vibe and, you know, brownish vibe to it. It gives that, you know, dark brownish blackish kind of tone to it, so you can use it to create a smoky eye look just like I did in this video. I really like this, you know, shades. I really like the, you know, tone to it. Like, look at that. I am loving it. So would I recommend this palette? Absolutely, I would definitely recommend this palette. In terms of the shades and the in terms of the pigmentation, and also in terms of that all the shades in this palette can be used to create as many looks as you like. I like the fact that she actually didn't include black. I like the fact that all the shades in this palette complements each other really well, and you can create as many looks as you like with them. And the most important thing about this palette that I really like a lot is the fact that the pigmentation is out of this world, guys. Look at that. Look at that. I also like the fact that it applies on the lids same as, you know, you swatch them on your skin. So that for me is a no-brainer, like amazing. I really like that about this palette. In terms of the packaging, I would definitely recommend it. The packaging is so, you know, cheeky, stylish, and, you know, travel friendly. I really like this a lot. And I also like the, you know, pink vibes going on in the palette as well. So if you're the type that you don't like black eyeshadow in your palette, then this is definitely a must for you, because the brown shades in this palette can actually give you that smoky eye look, just like I showed you guys in this video. So you don't need black at all. This palette is a must have for someone that likes every natural everyday look, and once in a while want to spice it up, because I know a lot of people that don't really like those color you know, palettes. Like every now and then color. There are times that you just want to have that neutral look, you want to have that warm look, you want to have that, you want to create that natural look, you want to create that, you know, everyday makeup look, then this palette is definitely for you. And on the days that you want to go about like out there, then you can, you know, top it up a notch with this shade right here. So every shade in this palette complements each other really well. I like this palette and I would definitely recommend that you guys check it out. They swatch really well also, and the fact that there is no fallout at all. So far so good. I haven't experienced any fallout at all, and that for me is also a no-brainer. So stay tuned to my channel. I'll definitely update you guys more and create more looks with this palette. So yeah, I'll definitely recommend it. Go out there, go get it, and try as much as you can, swatch it, and you'll be able to tell how, you know, amazing this palette is. And if there's anything you really want to know about this palette, feel free to comment down in the feel free to leave a comment down below, and I'll definitely answer your questions about this palette. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.